Welcome back, Cyber Explorers. It's Alfie, and in this video we'll explore together with this step-by-step guide how to enable or disable hardware virtualization in BIOS. So without further ado, let's get right into it. The steps to enable or disable virtualization can vary based on the computer's motherboard manufacturer and whether it has an Intel or AMD CPU. I'll demonstrate the process using an Asus ROG motherboard with an AMD CPU, but you can look for similar options on your device. Start by restarting the computer and entering the BIOS. If you don't know which key to press to enter the BIOS or UEFI setup menu, you might find our video on how to enter BIOS or UEFI by manufacturer helpful. The link is in the description below. Once you enter the BIOS or UEFI setup menu, if you are in easy mode view, switch to advanced mode view. In this case, I can do that by clicking on Advanced Mode or pressing F7. Then you need to look in the Advanced tab, Configuration tab, System tab, or Security tab for options like Intel Virtualization Technology, VMX, VTX, Vanderpool, AMD Virtualization, AMD-V, or AMD SVM, and make sure it's enabled or disabled based on your preference. If you see more than one option like Intel Virtualization Technology, or AMD Virtualization and Intel VTD, or AMD IMO, you might want to enable or disable both of them. In this case, go to the Advanced tab and click on CPU Configuration. Make sure SVM mode is set to enabled or disabled based on your preference. Finally, save the changes and exit. In this case, I can do that by going to the Exit tab, then clicking Save Changes and Reset, or pressing F10. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and don't forget to activate the notification bell so you won't miss out on any new uploads. Thank you for watching, and I can't wait to share more with you. So, until next time, see you later.